What's going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. And let's roll the intro. Okay, y'all, so I got something special for y'all today. This is real easy, real simple to accomplish. And the shirts, when I say they come out great, they come out great. Look at this. Let me show y'all. Check this out. Nope, that ain't it. Hold on. Check out these, y'all. Now these can easily be accomplished with just sublimation and rhinestones. You sublimate the image and then you layer the rhinestones on top. Yes, yes, yes. But not only that, check this out. When you get the files, it come with different sublimation images, like so. Let me show y'all. Don't want to show y'all like that. Let me show y'all like this. Alright, so that's how it would look sublimated on the shirt. Slick. Slick, slick, slick. Alright, so let me show y'all how y'all would do this. So first y'all would go to, let's go to Etsy. Alright, I'll put a link for it down below where you can go directly to this file. Of course, I have it 60% off right now, so you're saving like $13.50 on this design. Alright, after you add it to your cart, oh, I can't buy my own item, but after you add it to your cart and pay for it, you'll receive a digital download. Your digital download should be up under your account inside your purchases. So inside your purchases, you'll get the option to download your files, okay? After you download your files, you'll receive a folder like this. Inside the folder, you'll receive the sublimation images. There'll be two folders. One folder will be called Cream Subs, and the other folder will be called Cream Dollar Bill Guide. Alright, you'll open up the guide and it shows you what size to print the sublimation image. You print the sublimation image at 12.764 16.506. Alright, and you will print the sublimation image out using your sublimation printer and whatever software you use to print out your sublimation images. I use CorelDRAW, so what I'll do is I'll open up my CorelDRAW. I'll open up a new document. I'll grab my sublimation image like so, drag it in. When I drag it in, it comes in at 4.71 by 16.017. If we're looking at the guide, we're supposed to size that to 12.764 by 16.506. So let's do that now. 12.764 by 15.506. Boom. Alright, we want to make sure we You center it in the page like so by pressing P. And now that is sized up appropriately for the rhinestones. Let me double check. 12, 7, 64, 15, 506. Twelve, 7, 64, 16, 506. So it's supposed to be 16, 506. Let's make it 16, 506, y'all. Boom. Now that's right. I go to File. I go to Print. It says output doesn't fit on media. And it will say that. Wait a minute. I did that wrong. Let's go to Print. We want to go to our preferences here. We want to change it to 13 by 19. Of course, you gotta watch one of my previous videos that shows you how to pretty much set all of this up. Premium presentation mat, rear feed slot, Super B 13 by 19 inches. The quality, you want it on high. You want to go to more options, mirror the image, take off high speed, go into advanced for the color correction, and set up like this. And okay, when we get our print preview, as you can see, it does fit perfectly. So let's go to File, and then we can just print this sheet now. Okay, so after you print it out, next thing what you want to do is you'll want to go to your Cricut and you want to upload the Rhinestone template, the SVG Rhinestone template. So we go here, back into our folder, and we want to go to our stone group. Open that. And there's our cut image that we need. Let's go to upload. Click it right here. Add to canvas. Once we add it to the canvas, we want to make sure we check the size. 11347 by 16.5. 11347 by 16.5. So that's perfect. We can go to make it. Alright. So we already can see that it's going to fit on our 24-inch mat. So we load our Rhinestone Flock onto the mat, remove the backing from the Rhinestone Flock, and place the Rhinestone Flock onto the mat, sticky side down. I don't have my Cricut machine connected, but basically you'll run this and cut this out and move on to the next step. Alright, so now that you have your image sublimated, you brushed in your stones and picked up your stones, you'll get something like this. Look at that, y'all. Smash that like button. There's a link down below where you can purchase this design and put it on a shirt with rhinestones for only $9. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Make sure to go to Etsy and check out my rhinestone templates. I have plenty of them. All of them aren't sublimation. Some of them are sublimation mixed with vinyl, mixed with rhinestones. The possibilities are endless, folks. And I'm out.